the exhibition actually is about sustainability, lightness, and performance. And it actually works with the movement of the athletes. You're running around and it actually reflects to the changing of the space like a feather. It almost feels like the whole pavilion is flying up into the sky. All the materials are made from 100% recycled PET. So even the yarns, the bricks, the compression and the tension are all made from mechanical interlocks without any real glue that could bond them together. So it's actually one of the most sustainable pavilion in the park. But some of these quality about of the pavilion is exactly related to the shoes. It's trumpeted as one of the lightest shoes in the market currently available, using only PET as this yarn to completely construct the shoes out of one piece of mechanical weave upper.
It's Chinese.
And then the third is obviously is form fitting. It's actually fitting to the athlete's foot. It's just like how what the pavilion is doing. It's actually reacting to the movement of the athletes. Of course, the sustainability is unprecedented because everything is made from one material and can be 100% re-recycled. And the technology for making this is all brand new. The manufacturing capability is completely different from the way how we make shoes before. And this is one of the shoes is actually the official shoes for all the long distance runners this year in the Olympics.